Welcome to my channel today. I would like to share a dashboard to monitor outstanding PR status. A dashboard can help to identify long outstanding PR and the corresponding amount which are not executed yet. Management can also analyze buyers' workload and prioritize resources to handle the long outstanding PR. Let's what the dashboard report can analyze. This is the data source. I've added some formula to prepare the dashboard. If you are interested, I can prepare another video clip to explain. Just leave a message to let me know. So let's get back to the dashboard. Right here, this shows the outstanding PR count and the corresponding amount. Here is the breakdown by the PR departments requested in terms of PR count and PR amount. Here is the donut chart showing the breakdown of outstanding PR duration. Here are the outstanding PRs handled by which buyers in terms of PR count and amounts. By simply clicking on the slicer, these charts will show the selected criteria. For example, by clicking within 15 days, the charts show the data for those outstanding PR within 15 days. Or by selecting Admin, the charts show the PR status under the administrative department. Similar for staff. By clicking on To Data, it brings you to the data spreadsheet. With this interactive dashboard, you can have more ideas about what the longest outstanding PR and the corresponding amount are. It helps to identify which PR should be handled first and how to allocate buyers' workload. Hope that this example can bring you some ideas on how a dashboard can help to monitor PR status. I can share how to create this report if you are interested. Just leave comments to let me know. Thanks for watching this video.